Hello kids, welcome to maths class and today we'll do subtraction. Subtraction means taking away number or quantity from the given number. Means कोई भी given number में से कुछ निकालना. That is known as subtraction. The large number from which the smaller number is subtracted is called minuend. जो large number है जिसमें से हम subtract करें smaller number को वो कहलाता है minuend. The smaller number which is to be subtracted that is called as subtractand. स्मॉलर नंबर को हम कहें सब्ट्रैक्टेंड एंड जो उनका रिजल्ट होगा दैट इज नोन एज डिफरेंस. रमेश हैज़ एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक शॉप. ही बॉट 1234 TVs, 1568 रेफ्रिजरेटर, 376 वॉशिंग मशीन एंड ही सोल्ड आउट 816 TVs, 365 रेफ्रिजरेटर, 245 वॉशिंग मशीन. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ रेफ्रिजरेटर एंड दैट इज गिवन हियर. उसमें से जो रेफ्रिजरेटर सोल्ड आउट है दैट इज गिवन. सो लेफ्ट रेफ्रिजरेटर कितने हो जाएंगे? स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1, 8 - 5 दैट इज 3, 6 - 6 0, 5 - 3 दैट इज 2 and 1, 1203. लेट्स रिवाइज. फिल इन द बॉक्सेस. 689 - 689 नंबर में सेम नंबर माइनस करेंगे तो रिजल्ट क्या होगा? 0. नेक्स्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट द फॉलोइंग. 755 - 312. Start from 1, 5 - 2 3, 5 - 1 that is 4, 7 - 3 4, 443. Next subtract the following. So we cannot subtract 9 from 4, so borrow करेंगे. यहाँ पे 0 है, so we'll borrow from here, it becomes 7, 10. Now we'll borrow from here, it become 9 and it become 14. So 14 - 9 that is 5, 9 - 8 that is 1, 7 - 6 that is 1, 115. Clear? So practice all the questions. Next is subtraction without borrowing. We'll take an example. Subtract 3544 from 8579. Always subtract smaller number from larger number. So we'll arrange the number like this. Same rule रहेगा. ones के नीचे ones, tens के नीचे tens, 100 के नीचे 100 एंड इस तरीके से हम कॉलम में अरेंज करेंगे. स्टार्ट सब्ट्रैक्टिंग फ्रॉम वंस. 9 - 4 दैट इज 5, 7 - 4 दैट इज 3, 5 - 5 0, 8 - 3 दैट इज 5. सो डिफरेंस इज 5035. नेक्स्ट इवैल्यूएशन टाइम 3.1. सब्ट्रैक्ट द फॉलोइंग. 6 - 2 दैट इज 4, 3 - 1 दैट इज 2, 4 - 2 2, 9 - 1 8, 8224. Clear? So practice all the questions. Next is subtraction with borrowing. We'll take an example here. Subtract 3725 from 5643. So we'll arrange the number like this. Start from ones. We have to subtract 5 from 3. That we cannot. So we have to borrow. अब हम borrow कहाँ से करेंगे? 10 से. 10 की पोजीशन पे 4. यहाँ से हमने 110 बोरो किया तो ये क्या हो गया? 13 एंड इट बिकम 3 10. क्लियर? नाउ 13 - 5 दैट इज 8. नाउ हेयर 3 में से 2 10 माइनस करेंगे दैट इज 1. क्लियर? नाउ वी कैन नॉट सब्ट्रैक्ट 7 from 6. अगेन वी हैव टू बोरो फ्रॉम हंड्रेड्स. सो इट बिकम 4. 5 क्या हो जाएगा? 4 एंड 100 हम बोरो कर लेंगे सो इट बिकम 60 एंड 16 - 7 that is 9 and 4 - 3 that is 1, 1980. Next evaluation time 3.2. Subtract the following. We have to subtract 8 from 2. We cannot, so we'll borrow from here. It become 2 tens and it become 12. Now 12 - 8 that is 4, 2 - 0 that is 2, 8 - 3 that is 5, 7 - 5 that is 2, 2524. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is subtraction of 1, 10, 100 and 1000 from a number. We subtract 1 from the ones place digit when we subtract 1 from the numbers. Like our number is 5627. If we subtract 1, सो वंस की प्लेस की डिजिट जो होगी वो क्या हो जाएगी? 1 लेस हो जाएगी. सो इट बिकम 5626. Clear? Next is subtracting 10. We subtract from the tens place digit when we subtract 10 from the numbers. So 10 subtract करेंगे तो tens की place की digit में से 1 less कर देंगे. So 4998 minus 10, 4988. Clear? Next, subtracting 100. We subtract 1 from the 1000 place digit when we subtract 100. So number is 9657 minus 100. So 100 की place पे digit क्या है 6 से 1 less कर देंगे, it become 9557. Subtracting thousands. So we subtract 1 from the 1000 place digit when we subtract 1000 from a number. 7569 minus 1000. So 1000 की place की digit को हम क्या करेंगे 1 less कर देंगे 6569. Clear? Next, subtracting number that have the same number of zeros. 700 minus 400 दोनों में 2 0 है. So 7 में से 4 subtract करेंगे 3 and we'll put 2 0. 8000 minus 6000 that is 2000. Clear? Next, evaluation time 3.3. Fill in the blanks. 3525 minus 1. If we are subtracting 1, so 1s की place की digit that is 5, उसकी value 1 less हो जाएगी, उसमें से 1 subtract कर देंगे 24. Clear? Next, properties facts of subtraction. Property 1. When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. किसी भी number में से 0 subtract करेंगे, difference क्या होगा number itself. 2819 minus 0, that gives you 2819. Property 2. When we subtract a number from itself, difference is always 0. किसी भी number में से same number subtract करेंगे, difference क्या होगा 0. Like 3696 minus 3696, that is equals to 0. Next, evaluation time 3.4. Fill in the blanks. 619 minus 0 gives you 619. Next, subtraction fact. For each addition fact, there are 2 subtraction facts. Like 637 plus 129, 5, that is equals to 759. For this addition fact, there will be 2 subtraction facts. 759 minus 634 gives you 125. And 759 में अगर हम 125 minus करेंगे, that gives you 639. From the sum of 2 number, when we subtract one number, then we'll get other number. When we subtract the other number, we'll get the first number. Clear? Next, checking subtraction by addition. So we can also check whether our subtraction is correct or not by addition. So we'll take an example here. We have to subtract 7569 from 9234 and check the answer. So we'll do the subtraction and difference is 1665. Now there's a difference and the minuend. If we add them together, if we get the subtrahend, so our answer is correct. अब हमने इन दोनों को ऐड किया, we'll get 9234. That was our subtrahend. That means our difference or subtraction is correct. Next, evaluation time 3.5. For each of the following addition fact, write 2 subtraction for. So 923 plus 124, that is 1047. 1047 minus 124 will give 923 and it gives 124. Clear? Next, subtract each of the following and check your answer by addition. So first we'll do the subtraction. Like here, subtraction is already done. Our difference is 1781. Now difference में हम add करेंगे ये number 4593. 3 plus 1 4, 17, 1 carry over, 5 plus 1 6, 6 and 7, 13, 1 carry over, 6, 6374. That means our answer is correct. Clear? Next, addition and subtraction together. Solve 2974 plus 3172 minus 4218. So यहाँ पे मैं addition भी करना, subtraction दोनों दे रखी है, problems एक ही उसमें. So first we'll add the 2 numbers and from sum we will subtract the other number. सो हम दोनों नंबर को ऐड किया 6146. नाउ सम में से हमें जो नंबर दे रखा है 4218, दैट विल सब्ट्रैक्ट, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 1928. नेक्स्ट इज evaluation time 3.6. 3425 minus 5139 plus 4625. So what we'll do? Either we can add these two numbers. जिस नंबर के आगे माइनस है उससे हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, ये ध्यान रखना है. 3425 प्लस 4625. We'll add them together. 8050. इसमें से हम 5139 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. Now we will borrow 10 minus 9 1, 4 minus 3 1, 10 minus 1 9, 7 minus 5 that is 2, 2911. Clear? Next, solve the following. 8429 minus 3176 minus 179 plus 3054. So, we'll add 8429 and 3054. We'll find their sum and we'll add 3176 and 179. Separately हम add कर देंगे. So, 8429 and 3054 इनको ऐड कर देंगे एंड 3176 एंड 179 इनको ऐड कर देंगे. 5 plus 2 7 1 8 4 15. अब इन दोनों का हम डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, एस्टिमेटिंग द डिफरेंस. Estimation helps to solve the question quickly. We'll take an example here. Estimate the difference of 769 and 432, the nearest tens. Nearest tens करना है हमें 769. Nearest tens means ones की place की digit देखेंगे, that is 9 more than 5 है, तो हम next tens पे round off करेंगे. 770 हो जाएगा, 432 हो जाएगा 430. Their difference is 340. But the actual difference क्या है? 337, which is very close to the estimated difference. Clear? Next is evaluation time 3.7. Estimate the difference to the nearest tens. 507 round off करेंगे तो जाएगा 510 and 343 को round off करेंगे तो ये जाएगा 340. Now we'll find their difference 0, 7, 170. Clear? Next, estimate the difference to nearest hundreds. So nearest hundreds करेंगे 3500 and 1700. So उसका difference find out करेंगे. 8 and 1, 1800. Clear? Next, story problems. We'll take an example here. There are 6455 bags of rice in a godown. एक godown में 6455 bags है rice के. Out of that 5292 bags are sold. उसमें से 5092 sold हो गए, तो कितने बैग बच गए? तो टोटल में से जो सोल्ड आउट हुए हैं उसको हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. सो रिमेनिंग इज 1163 बैग्स. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, evaluation time 3.8. There are 1502 seats in Cineplex. If 1332 seats are occupied, how many seats are vacant? कितनी खाली है? टोटल सीट थी 1502. Out of that 1332 are occupied. So we subtract 170 seats are vacant. Clear? Practice all the questions. Next is look back. Subtraction means taking away a number from the given number. The larger number from which the smaller number is subtracted, that is called minuend. The smaller number from which is to be subtracted, that is known as subtractant. The answer we get after the subtraction, that is called difference. When we subtract 0 from the number, the difference is the number itself. When we subtract the number from itself, the difference is always 0. For each addition fact, there are 2 subtraction facts. Next is mental zone. 9,000 plus 3,000 minus 5,000. 9 plus 3, that is 12,000. 12,000 minus 5,000, that is 7,000. Clear? Next, multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. 375 minus 45, that is equals to 330. 375 minus 45. 0, 3, 3. 330. So option C is the correct answer here. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now to practice it.